Hey everyone, if you're looking for a very fuel-efficient vehicle that has a sunroof, heated seats, and remote start, then check out this 2015 Ford Fusion. I'm Alana here at Woodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest-rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year. You can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So this comes in this bronze fire metallic color. It's really nice and gorgeous. You have your halogen headlamps up front with fog lamps below, tons of chrome in your grille. And then looking at your wheels, these are unique 18-inch premium painted sport wheels. Love the design on those. And this has a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, which can get you about 31 miles to the gallon on the highway. This could fall under our smart warranty, and if it does, it would be our 5-year, 60,000-mile max care coverage and more. So if you want to learn more about that warranty, give us a call, and one of our sales advisors would be happy to get you more information about that. Looking down at your side mirrors, you have those indicator lights going down the side, and they are powered and heated with blind spot monitoring and cross-path detection. So that will alert you if there's a vehicle in your blind spot, so you always know if it's safe to get over on the interstate or anywhere. And this also has keyless entry with a touchscreen number keypad over on your driver's side. All right, so looking at these front seats, we have leather reddish-brown seats. They are heated, and you have that perforated insert in the center right there, really cushioned, and both sides are power adjustable with memory settings over on your driver's side. Looking at your steering wheel, you have all of your cruise controls, your cluster controls, and your media controls all on the front with paddle shifters on the back just to take full control. And looking at your 8-inch touchscreen, brought to you by MYFORD TOUCH, which is powered by Microsoft Sync. You have all of your options really well laid out. This does have navigation, so you can put in your destination, go to your place, turn-by-turn directions right there. You can also connect your phone using Bluetooth, make and receive phone calls. You have all of your radio options here. You can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. And then all of your climate controls here are dual, so you can have the exact same as you want with your heated buttons right there. And this does have that backup camera to give you clear visibility behind your vehicle, and you can even zoom in to give you a closer view so you never hit anything behind you. All of your buttons are below. You have that CD insert right there, climate controls, your heated buttons, all of your other defrosting and everything is right there. And you do have a 12-volt below. Automatic stick right here with your electronic parking brake on the side and 2 cup holders in the middle with tons of room in the center panel. So this tray is removable, and then you have a nice media hub below with a 12-volt, 2 USB ports, an SD card reader, and AV input. So really covered on all fronts there. Looking up, this does have universal garage door openers and controls to your sunroof. So that just lets some light and a nice breeze into this vehicle. So let's go look at the back seat. Okay, so looking in this back seat, tons of room back here, room for 3 passengers. You do have this cup holder armrest that folds down right there with 2 cup holders, and you have a 110-volt and a 12-volt right there. These seats also fold forward, so you can have additional space through your trunk with those seats folded down. Making your way around the side, you have your LED tail lamps and your SE and EcoBoost badge with your rear sensing system. So that will alert you kind of the distance between you and objects behind your vehicle so you don't hit anything. And then you do have a powered trunk and remote start on your key fob. So looking into this trunk, lots and lots of room. I love how wide the mouth is so you can get boxes and stuff in here. But yeah, tons of room in that trunk. So I mean, all in all, great vehicle. You have those heated seats, that media center, and that amazing fuel efficiency. So if you want to see this Ford Fusion or any of our other cars, visit us at WowWoodys.com or come check out our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.